Hi everyone, my name is Stephen Simon and welcome to the first episode of C Sharp Corner Newsroom. In this video series, we are going to take you through what has happened in the field of technology and startups in the past 1 week. Coming up. The first news that we have for you today is from Oyo. Oyo, a hospitality and a unicorn, has now received a funding of $807 million in their Series F funding from their existing investor SoftBank and founder Videsh Agarwal owned RA Hospitality. According to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, $506.75 million has been infused by SoftBank, which will now hold 50.6% stake in the hospitality unicorn, whereas SVF India Holdings will now have a 25.87% in the company. At the time of announcing Series F funding, the unicorn had stated that the funding will be focused on Oyo's growth in the United States and also to strengthen its position in the vacation rental business in Europe. It is also to be noted that the company in the financial year of March 2019 stated a net loss of $335 million, that is over 2,309 crores, mainly on account of international expenses. As the layoffs and allegations against the Oyo keeps on continuing, it will be interesting to know if they will be able to take the benefit from this recent investment and if they show any sign of coming into profit, or they will be just another image of the WeWorks backed by SoftBank once again. The next news is from GitHub, where GitHub now acquires a JavaScript platform, that is NPM, which is Node Package Manager. It is to be noted that GitHub is now actually owned by Microsoft, and this Node Package Manager company will now fall under Microsoft. Microsoft now taking a major leads in the field of JavaScript. It may be Angular, and now it is moving into Node Package Managers. Earlier they acquired GitHub and they acquired LinkedIn too. Microsoft is on a roll to ensure that they fall in each and every ecosystem of this technology field. The GitHub said that they will continue to integrate NPM to improve the security of the open source software and supply chain and enable the users to trace change from GitHub pull request to NPM package version that they fixes. Let us know in the comment section below what are your thoughts about Microsoft buying these top companies and these open source platforms, and will Microsoft be able to do any good to this JavaScript platform? Let us know in the comment section below. The next news is from Google. Although the COVID-19 virus continues to grow, tech companies like Google, Microsoft and Apple continues to do the innovations and make sure that you are using most updated softwares. In a way of that, Google recently released their Android 11 Pure, which is now available. One of the major things to note in this update is that you can now actually include 5G state API that will help you quickly check whether the user is currently using 5G network or a non-standalone network. Google also said that Android 11 has added new processes, tools and releases milestone to minimize the impact of platform updates and to make sure that the developers have easy to use. With this developer preview 2 coming, we are getting a lot more close to having a beta version for it, and it is now time to get your apps updated to Android 11. The next news is from GitHub, where GitHub has now released the both Android and iOS version of their website github.com. With these applications, you will be able to review your code, merge changes and also collaborate with others from anywhere. This application, which is now available both for Android and iOS, will help you merge and mark pull requests to breeze through your workflow wherever you are. The next news is again from a startup, that is University Living, which has now received a funding of rupees 3,000 crore, which actually aims to provide a better service and rooms to students studying in university and colleges. They not only provide the living facility, but they also help you with your curriculum, with your college loans and a lot more. The last news for today is once again from Google, where Google has now launched their application that is Transcribe, which is actually a way to translate speech into text. Currently, it supports English language and will now be available in languages like French, German, Hindi, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, and even Thai. To use this application, you need to have Google Translate latest version installed in your Android application, and then you can easily start using it. That was all from this week latest update. We want you to stay safe at home, and let's tune in for the next week.